Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have a special app wherein you can edit your own face with the technology of artificial intelligence. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. So let's start. So the name of the app is called as Face App, the AI editor. So basically, this app helps you to change your hairstyle. It helps you to bring a greater smile on your face. It helps you to change expressions and many more filters it has. So let's get to the mobile screen and explore how the app looks, how you can edit your image, how you can make a photo aged, you can make someone look old, or you can make someone look cool, younger as well. So let's get to the mobile screen and explore. So here's the app, guys. Face app, AI face editor. So I believe it is a much popular app. It has more than 150k downloads. So let's open the app and see. So first we need to select an image. So let's just select some image of mine. So let's just go with this image, I believe. Yes. So it's processing the image. So basically this is a completely a AI app which tracks your face, which tracks your different points on face, and then it gives you like expressions and all the editing features. So yes, here it is. So it has tracked all the face and everything. So let's just start with smiles. So basically it comes with paid version. So we have limited options in free version. So this is original, and if I go for classic, so here's the smile, the regular one and the smiling one. So this is how the AI filter works. So there are more 2 3 smiling option, but you need to go for pro. So let's talk about the pro feature later. Then you have an option to edit beards as well. So basically this is original. You can go for a hipster kind of beard. This doesn't look good. And yes, you have more options on beard, but all comes under pro section. And then you have a gender conversion, so you can create me to a female version. So this is how I will look in a female version. You have the second option to convert to female as well, and this is the second female, and you can also make me look masculine. So you can see the difference. So basically it reduces face fat, you can say. Then you have a special features called as morphine. So in morphine you can create some two images. You can combine two images and create a son or daughter kind of thing. So let's just start with the basic morphine. So in basic morphine you can add an image of celebrity. So let's just select some celebrities. So I have selected Kirti Sanon. So here's the image. So let's just see. So this is how like a conversion or a mixture look like. So this is basically Kirti Sanon's face on my face. You can make the reverse version of it as well. So on Kirti Sanon's face, it will try and place my face. So this is how it looks. Pretty cool, huh? You can also save it. You can also share it on Instagram and Facebook as well. And then you have a feature of our son. So basically son of two. So basically my image and the other celebrity image. So I have an image of Kirti Sanon. So this is how the sun will look. And let's just see. So this is how a sun will look with Kirti Sanon's face. And similar way I can look for our daughter. And then there are different styles on it. And then you have an option for age as well. So let's just see, like let me look a pretty cool old guy. So this is how I will look when I'll be old. And there are two options for old. So these are the two options. This is like a pretty lesser old, like somewhere around in 50s, and this looks somewhere around in 60s. Pretty cool. This is original me and this is the old me. So yes, and there are different options for hair color. I can change the color of my hair. So this is how it looks. It gets extra dark, it gets less dark, let's darken. Then you can change the size of your nose, your lip buds and everything. So if I make my nose big, this is how it will look. So I have settings. I can make it 2, 3, 4. It's funny, you can like try different things on your face. And then there are many more features. There's a feature of tattoo as well, so you can try different tattoos on your face. So here are the tattoos. So yes, download the app, try different features, try editing an image, and comment down in section below. Let me know how you feel the app, how is your user experience with this. And let's talk about the Pro. So Pro has an impression feature as well, wherein you can like make different features, different expression. So let's just see for the pricing of the Pro. So I believe it doesn't show any costing as of now for Pro. So you need to go, let me just check. Pro, go Pro. Yeah, here's the costing. So for 1 month it cost 399. For 12 months it cost 1999, so basically 2000 rupees. And if you are going for a lifetime one, so it costs 3999. So yes, this was the costing for the Pro. So Pro has premium filters, as I showed. It doesn't have watermark when you export it to your gallery, and it's ad free section as well. So yes, that was it for the app, and that was it for the editor. So yes, don't forget to hit like to our video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.